Hey you guys, today's recipe is 7-layer bars. This is one of my favorites and I know it's going to be one of your favorites as well. This is so addicting, y'all. So let me show you what ingredients you're going to need for this recipe. Alright, so we're going to start off with some condensed milk, and then we have some milk chocolate chips and also some white chocolate chips. And you're also going to need unsweetened coconut and graham crackers. Then you're going to need a stick of butter. We're not going to use all of it. And then you're also going to need walnuts. Alright, so we're going to start off by taking about 6 tablespoons of that butter and we're going to melt it in our pan. I love to do this. You just stick it right in the oven and it just melts, and then you're ready to go to make your crust. So go ahead and take it out once it becomes liquefied. You don't want to leave it in too long because you don't want it to burn. Okay, I've already ground my graham crackers. You can do that in a food processor. And then you just want to spread them evenly into the pan, as even as you can get them. And then we're going to take our fingers and we're going to press down. Alright, so you just press all the graham cracker crumbs into the pan as even as you can get them. It's not going to be moist, but it'll be fine. You'll still have a nice crust at the end. There we are. Okay, so now we're going to spread our milk chocolates and our white chocolates in the pan. You can just mix them together because they're all going to be one layer. So just kind of arrange them so they'll be a nice little layer. And then we're going to get ready to add our coconut and do the same thing. There you go. Alright, now time for the coconut. You definitely want to use unsweetened coconut. You will not need any more sweet with this recipe, so please just use unsweetened coconut. So you're going to spread that around as well. And once you've done that, we'll get ready to add our walnuts. Alright, there you go. Walnut time. And these were like walnut halves and pieces. I had to chop them up some more. The smaller ones are better, but just use whatever you can find. You can always chop them up in smaller pieces yourself. So there we go. And now we're going to add our condensed milk. And you just want to spread it as evenly as you can and make sure that it's sealed with the condensed milk. Just like that. The condensed milk is the key ingredient of this recipe, y'all. It makes it so you'll see. You just have to make them for yourself. Okay, so I just kept going around the pan and making sure that I spread the condensed milk over the entire dessert. So you want to place them in the oven until they start to brown around the edges for about 20-25 minutes. And you take them out and they'll look just like this. Now you want to let them completely cool before you start to cut them. So once they've completely cooled, you can place them on a cooling rack and just go ahead and take a spatula and just kind of, press down in the sides, and then go ahead and cut your bars into pieces. And that is really it, y'all. I would start off by cutting these into smaller pieces at first because they're pretty rich, but they're rather addicting. But since they're so rich, it's best to cut them into small pieces. The first time I made this recipe, I cut them into 4 big pieces. Mistake, I couldn't eat all of that at once. So we hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.